People will be looking at that, wondering what that thing
This is full moon,
What's that green?
super moon, and lunar eclipse. But still we cannot see the cover. Oh, you see that they have ring. Yan, nandito kami sa labas para kumuha ng video. Yan, ng super moon at full moon. Guys, so tingnan niyo sa paligid. This is the view here, pine tree. That's all. I need to put this in a video. What is the time now?
It is
The 11:08 ng gabi, guys.
11:11
Yes.
right now. 11:11.
But hindi, we cannot see the covering the moon. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, I did not bring my cell phone holder, so my hands is so maingay ako. It's dark. Yan siya, guys, ang view dito, guys. You see that they have clouds near in the clouds, you see, they have clouds there in the sun.
Yeah, I think this is clouds. I don't think it's earth cover.
That's earth cover now.
I don't think so. I think that's just the cloud cover. Because it's not straight. It's all up and down, hedgy, so to speak.